Oh, YouTube. How you doing? You might be wondering what I'm doing in a pretty old spot like this here. It's nice, right? Yeah. Well, a couple people at work want me to do the old Diet Coke with no burping challenge. I'm a little nervous because that's a lot of soda and I don't even like soda that much. But we're going to try and get it done. And I figured, why not have a view when we do it? So let's give it a shot. We'll start it off right now. We're going to do it quick before another motorcycle shows up. Oh, hold on. Carbonation. They've been showing up like crazy to take video I can't even talk today. Photos. And they're loud as hell. I'm a motorcycle guy too, but now when I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Alright. Diet Coke without burping challenge. Let's see if we can get it done. Here we go. Oh gosh. Might as well water it up already. You can probably hear the traffic going by. Dang, son. This is gonna be rough. Oof. Oh, basket. Makes you want to throw up. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Rough. Ooh. Man, I ain't even that far yet. My stomach's hurting. Gosh dang. Keep going. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh. Doesn't help I'm doing it on an empty stomach. I figured that might help a little bit. I ain't even halfway. Somebody else showing up now. They want to enjoy the YouTube show. I ain't even big yet and I got an audience. Man, I don't know how you're supposed to do this. This is rough. Whoa, my nose is running. Nope. Oh. God dang, it's still in there. Well, I made it. Hell, almost halfway. Gosh dang, man. My stomach still hurts and I got rid of a burp. Wow. Wow, there we go. You hear all that? Son of a gun. Daggum. That. Oh. I tell you what. Oh gosh. It's still coming. Wow, man. I tell you what, man. That was worse than the little nitro was hot. Like, it hurt my stomach so bad. Well, that was a pitiful showing. As you can see, I made it almost halfway. At least my view is pretty, right? Fell off the truck. At least my view is pretty, right? Yeah. Dang, man. I was really hoping I was gonna get that done, but that was too much, man. Way too much. Yeah. No sugar, no calories, Diet Coke. I recommend this challenge to anybody that wants to give it a shot. It's painful. It was like sitting right here in my stomach, man. It was, wow, terrible, terrible. But, I mean, I guess I'm not overly depressed about how far I got. It's a pitiful showing. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe this video. If you do like my other videos, please subscribe, man. Every little bit helps. I really appreciate it. And again, there's the beautiful view for you. Wonderful Pennsylvania. So nice out today. And now I gotta go to work. So we'll leave it at that. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.